Hi, excuse me, can you help me? I'm not really familiar with this supermarket.
Of course, welcome. What are you looking for today?
First, where can I get a shopping cart and a handbasket?
Shopping carts are right by the entrance, and hand baskets are stacked next to aisle 1.
Thanks. I'd like to start with cleaning stuff, dish soap, sponges, laundry detergent, fabric softener, and something for the bathroom.
All cleaning products are in aisle 11. Dish soap and sponges on the left, laundry detergent and fabric softener on the right, bathroom cleaners in the middle.
Great. I also need a mop, a broom, a toilet brush, trash bags, and some rubber gloves.
Those are at the end of aisle 11 near the buckets. The big kitchen trash bags are on the lower shelves.
After cleaning, I need paper towels, toilet paper, napkins, and some tissues for the living room.
Paper towels, toilet paper, napkins, and tissues are all in aisle 12, right in the middle section.
Okay, now pantry items, rice, pasta, noodles, canned soup, canned beans, and canned vegetables.
Rice, pasta, and noodles are in aisle 5. Canned soup, canned beans, and canned vegetables are in aisle 4.
For breakfast, I need cereal, oatmeal, peanut butter, and strawberry jam.
Those are in aisle 6, cereal and oatmeal in the middle, peanut butter and jam on the lower shelves.
I also drink instant coffee and tea, and I need sugar and coffee creamer.
Instant coffee, tea, sugar, and creamer are on the other side of aisle 6, toward the end.
Next, I want some snacks, potato chips, crackers, cookies, chocolate, and mixed nuts.
Snacks are in aisle 8, chips and crackers on the right, cookies, chocolate, and nuts on the left.
Now I need fresh vegetables, lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes, carrots, onions, garlic, and broccoli.
All fresh vegetables are in the produce section at the front right. You can pick what you like, and we'll weigh them at checkout.
And for fruit, I'd like apples, bananas, oranges, grapes, strawberries, and some lemons.
Fruit is in the same area. Apples and oranges on the first tables, bananas hanging nearby, grapes and strawberries in the refrigerated cases, and lemons in the corner bins.
Great. Now I need dairy, milk, yogurt, cheese, butter, and some cooking cream.
All dairy products are in the refrigerators along the back left wall.
Where are the eggs? I'd like a dozen large eggs, maybe organic or free range.
Eggs are right next to the milk. The organic and free-range eggs are on the top shelf. Eggs are right next to the milk. The organic and free-range eggs are on the top shelf. The meat section is along the back wall. You'll see chicken, beef, and pork all together there.
And seafood, do you have fresh salmon and shrimp?
Yes, the seafood counter with salmon and shrimp is at the far right corner of the back wall.
I'd also like some bread, sandwich bread, whole wheat bread, a baguette, and maybe a few bagels.
The bakery section is in the middle of the store, fresh bread in the glass case, and packaged bread and bagels on the shelves next to it.
For drinks, I need bottled water, fruit juice, soda, sparkling water, and some iced tea.
Those are in aisle 3, water at the front, fruit juice and soda in the middle, sparkling water, and iced tea toward the back.
I also want some frozen food, frozen fries, frozen pizza, dumplings, ice cream, and frozen mixed vegetables.
All frozen food is in the big freezer section along the back wall, fries and pizza in the middle, dumplings and vegetables on the right, ice cream on the left.
Now I need personal care items, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, soap, toothpaste, toothbrushes, deodorant, and some razors.
All of those are in aisle 9, together with shaving cream and body lotion.
I also have a baby and a cat. I need baby diapers, baby wipes, baby formula, cat food, and cat litter.
Baby diapers, wipes, and formula are in aisle 10. Cat food and cat litter are in aisle 13 toward the back.
Almost done. Where can I find vitamins, pain relievers, cold medicine, allergy pills, and some Band-Aids?
Those are in aisle 2 in the pharmacy area, right next to the consultation counter.
Perfect. I think that's everything. Where do I go to pay, regular checkout or self-checkout?
Both are at the front. You can use self-checkout if you don't have too many items, or go to a cashier if you prefer.
Great, I'll go to the cashier. Thanks a lot for your help today. You just saved me so much time.